Premiere Pro is really good at knowing where to put commas and periods and transcriptions, where to break up sentences, where to capitalize, but sometimes it needs a little bit of help.
We believe in humanity, community, and showing love wherever you are.
You can see that as I play, it highlights so I know exactly where I am in the sequence. In this case, all the instances of Hilltop need to be capitalized, and your needs to be 'RE. I can click in and change your. And for Hilltop, I can use the search bar to search for the word and then click the replace button to replace it with the capitalized version. Also, say I want to split the transcript into sentences, all I have to do is click on the first word of the next sentence and then go to the split segment button. Another cool thing about this auto transcription is that it does not transcribe all of the filler words, the us and ahs.
A safe space, just a place for people to come and feel free.
Because you don't need them in the transcription, so they don't show up. It's so smart.